Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I have a couple of things for you. I have Earfleek, which is our monthly earring package, and I have some friend mail. And I want to share it with you today. But first I want to welcome you all to my channel. I really appreciate you each and every time you have an opportunity to stop by. Today, like I said, we're going to check out what the Earfleek has sent us and a little bit of friend mail. And I think I'm going to start off with the friend mail first. I have two pieces that came in the mail, and they're right here, and we're going to find out who they're from. Now this here is a thank you card, and it says, "Hi Vicky," which is my name, and I do go by Miss Jackie Russell on the channel here. That's my nickname. She says, "This gift could not have come at a better time. It is as if you just curated this for me. And then the sweet gift of you just made my day so much better." Oh, well, thank you, Janet. I'm glad that you liked what you got. I know you won that prize, and it's always fun to get the packages because sometimes we forget what was in the giveaway until we get it. And even if you go back and watch the video, by the time I get the package to you, it's still like it's kind of new to you. So I get that. And I'm so glad that you liked it and that you felt like it was curated just for you. That's just wonderful. And I appreciate you so much. You didn't have to send me a thank you note, but you are so sweet. And if you don't know Janet, she is one of our subscriber supporters of many of our channels, not just mine, a lot of us. So if you hear the phrase just Janet or Janet, then that is who we are talking about. And she sends out all kinds of things and notes and gifts. And she's just a wonderful person. And like I said, you didn't have to do this, but I sure appreciate it. The next item I have here is from Illinois. And it's made out to Miss Jackie Russell. And I think I know who this is from, but I'm not going to show you the address. She does have a sticker on the back of a nice little birdhouse. And let's find out who this is from. Like I said, I think I already know just based on the address and the last name here. Yep, I do. But I'm going to share this with you all. And this here is a hello card. And on the inside, it says, "Dear Miss Jackie, when I saw this pink card, I knew I had to send it to you because you love pink." Oh, I do, and I've got some pink on today. "Thanks for choosing me for the giveaway. The earrings are lovely and so fun. The bracelet is nice too. I hope you are well. Love, Mary B." So that's who this is. It's Mary B. And she said thank you, and she just had to send this to me because it's in pink, and I love it. Thank you so much for thinking of me, not only for sending me a little thank you note, but that the fact that you knew I liked pink, so you had to send me this particular card. It is so cute, and I love it. And Mary is another one of our subscriber friends that supports many of our channels. So like I said, these names you may see a lot of times in the comments right along with you because they are engaging and have become good friends and parts of our YouTube family. So Mary and Janet, thank you very much. I appreciate your thank you notes, and I appreciate you as my friends. And now we're going to get into the Earfleek. Now this comes monthly, and it's only like $3. I think it's $4.25 now. They've kind of gone up on price, but it's still an inexpensive way to get some earrings, and it's kind of fun because it's like a little mystery. I'm having a hard time getting into this package. They had it glued down good. But it always comes in this little mailer here. On the outside you have this, and then on the inside we have our Earfleek. Bright pink package, and it's glued down good now too. And I'll have to say part of this is probably just my weakness trying to get these things open. I am having a little bit of swelling on my wrist there, and it just hurts. I don't know what I did, but I pulled something or did something to make it, hurt. And this month it looks like we have some dangly earrings, and it looks like it's called Minted by Earfleek. And again, these are about $4.25 a month. There is a coupon down below to save on your first order, and if the link doesn't work, well, go ahead and just go on over there, and I hope that the discount will work for you. I will try to make sure that it is active. They change that up, and sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. This is the earring, and it says embrace spring with these minted earrings. Pair these with mint stunners and pastel colors and lip gloss. And so we kind of have an idea, and they always come in this nice little pink package here. And we're going to pull these out of here. This is our little Earfleek. This is our price tag. So I paid $2 and maybe 90 cents because I'm on a 6 months contract. You do get a better rate if you sign up for annual or 6 months or whatever. And these are the earrings. Aren't those cute? So it says it'll pair up with anything. So let's get them off of here. I'm having a hard, like I said, my hand really hurts. I don't know, like I said, what I did with it, but it definitely hurts. But look at those. Aren't those cute? Let me see if I can get this one to hang right. There we go. So little dangly earrings, and they're a mint color, like a mint green. So that must be the end thing, because, you know, I've been seeing a lot of light green or mint green in some of the boxes here lately. So those are my earrings, and I think they're quite cute. And let's try them on and see how they look. We'll take these off and put these on. So far, so good. So what do y'all think? I don't know if they quite go with this blue and pink here, but I don't see any green in my blouse that I have on, but they are cute. What do y'all think? I think they're a keeper. So that's my Earfleek. Is it something that you would like? I do like their earrings. Now, are they expensive earrings? No, because you could find these for $15.99, and you could even find them for $5 at your local store if they're marked down on sale. But I like getting them every month. This is a great subscription if you want to get one for like your daughter or your granddaughter or anybody that likes earrings. I like earrings, so I like getting the different styles each month and seeing what they have. And these are a little fun, and I like that they're dangly because they can, be seen with my long hair, where if it's way up there with a little button thing or whatever, you can't really see it. But that is my Earfleek, and that was my friend mail. And I want to thank Mary and Janet for sending me the thank you cards. That was very sweet, ladies. I appreciate you. And be sure and check my descriptions for any collaborations and or giveaways. And as for my friend mail and Earfleek, that's all I have today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.